Every raisin begins its journey here, under the first light of day.
Timing and care define the quality of the harvest. Only grapes at peak maturity are selected.
Precision harvesting protects flavor and texture. Volume builds, one careful cut at a time. Harvested grapes are quickly gathered for transport. Efficiency in the field preserves freshness. The field releases its harvest. The transformation begins the moment the grapes leave the vine. Speed now matters, but gentleness still rules. Fresh grapes must reach processing before nature takes over. Field harvest meets industrial-scale logistics. Protection during transport preserves quality. The journey continues beyond the farm. Minutes matter when freshness defines flavor.
The processing facility awaits.
From agriculture to industry, seamlessly connected. Now, the real transformation is ready to begin. Behind these walls, agriculture becomes precision.
Every step forward narrows the margin for error.
Fresh grapes meet controlled environments.
Scale defines modern food processing.
This is the factory's first touch point.
Movement replaces stillness. Human oversight guides every automated decision. The raw harvest enters its first transformation. Cleaning begins before drying ever can. Every surface is rinsed, nothing assumed. Motion cleans what stillness cannot.
Moisture is controlled, never rushed.
Air prepares the fruit for inspection. Human eyes still catch what machines miss. Technology refines consistency. Only the best continue forward. Now, preparation gives way to transformation. Preparation is complete. Transformation approaches. Uniformity begins with controlled flow. Consistency is engineered, not guessed. Heat and air take control. Water leaves, flavor concentrates. Balance is constantly monitored.
Drying is science, not chance.
The raisin begins to reveal itself.
Drying deepens, structure changes.
Each zone fine-tunes the outcome. Time and air sculpt the fruit. Equalization prevents overdrying. The grape completes its transformation. Cooling stabilizes what heat created. Uniformity is restored internally.
Experience confirms the science.
Now, precision takes full control. Automation brings consistency to scale. Every raisin is analyzed in milliseconds.
Decisions happen faster than the eye can see.
Accuracy replaces approximation. Uniform size ensures uniform performance. Surface refinement improves handling.
Safety is engineered into every step.
Flow control keeps the system stable. Perfection now moves toward completion. Here, the final touches define quality.
Technology ensures uniform excellence. Every detail is scrutinized under precision light.
Consistency is measured, not assumed.
Human judgment still guides the last inch.
Appearance matches the taste. Only clean, perfect raisins remain. Precision defines every gram. From finishing to final form, the journey continues. Every batch undergoes scientific scrutiny. Random sampling ensures representative analysis. Moisture defines shelf life and texture. Safety and purity cannot be compromised. Color signals both quality and appeal. Accuracy ensures customer trust.
containers meet the same rigorous standards.
Only batches that pass every test proceed.
Science clears the path for final presentation.
The final form begins to take shape. Every bag carries exact portions of care.
Sealed freshness protects flavor.
Identification ensures traceability.
Organization prepares for storage and shipment.
Storage maintains quality until delivery.
Every pallet embarks on its journey to the customer. And this is how modern factories produce raisins from start to finish.
Every Raisin's journey is a story of precision and care.